Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to set featured photos on Facebook from your phone. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now go to your profile by tapping on profile picture just beneath the home button. Scroll down a little bit and tap on edit public details. Here you can change your profile picture, cover photo, bio and other details. Now if you scroll a little bit you'll see featured. Now tap on try it. Now upload the photos you want to add to your featured photos. I'll just randomly select 2 images and tap save at the bottom of the screen. And it takes a few moments to upload the images. And the images are added to your featured photos. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.